Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Swapna. Today I am gonna show you how to paint glass bottle with unique techniques of flower design. Hope you will like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So here we go, let's start the video. Here I have glass bottle, acrylic paints and some brushes. And mainly today we will be using some different acrylic colors. I have this painted glass bottle. I have dried this bottle for 7 hours and I have used fabric white color. You can use any color. You may use gesso or white primer or white acrylic also. I was having this white color, so I have used this fabric white. With the help of this sponge, I have painted this bottle. If you want to see how I did this, you can see my previous video, which link is given in description. So, I was talking about these different colors. These are metallic colors. These are shining colors. It looks very beautiful when you use it on bottles. It gives you nice finishing and shine. I have used yellow color as base and I had given only single coat. If you want dark color, then you can give 2 coats also, so that your bottle will shine more. When you finish painting with yellow color or whichever color you want, you will have to keep the bottle aside at least for 1 hour. It should dry properly so that you can paint further. Our bottle is ready. We will be using pink shade and white shade for flowers. On yellow base, according to my choice, pink flowers will look awesome. You can take out as much color you want in one plate and then you can apply it on bottle. Here I have white shade. The unique technique comes now. I will be using my finger to paint these flowers. See how I paint this. It is very easy and gives amazing results. You can rotate bottle as you want. I guess this is the easiest way of painting you all have seen ever. You can use white color in middle of flower. It will give you a fabulous result. See this, it looks awesome. We'll put more flowers on this. We'll make a bunch of flower. We are almost done with painting flowers. See how it looks. It looks amazing. Now we will be using this green shade to paint leaf and all. I'll be using this round brush to paint leaves and all. See how I do this. Now we will paint back side of bottle. I will use same shades pink and white. I will just point the both colors with my finger just like dots to get great look on my bottle. See, it looks very pretty. That's all for today. It looks very pretty. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get more DIY painting ideas. Thank you so much. Thank you all.